8 simple ways to treat hair loss at the temples. Thinning hair can be annoyingly unpleasant, especially when it starts at your temples, and simple things like putting your hair up in a ponytail become a matter of concern. Temple hair loss in females is common, and dealing with it can be quite hard. But understanding hair loss and its causes can help you find a solution. Keep listening to find out what causes hair loss at the temples and how you can regrow temple hair naturally. What is temple hair loss? Temple hair loss is the thinning of hair at the temples. Although this kind of hair loss is common in both men and women, it is characteristic of male pattern baldness, where thinning starts at the temples rather than the top of the head. However, if you are losing hair at the temples, it is likely that you are losing hair from the top of your head as well. Temple hair loss can also just take place on just one side. What causes temple hair loss? More often than not, hair loss at the temples is a genetically inherited condition. In some cases, it is also caused due to the overuse of hair extensions and sporting tight braids and hairstyles. Thyroid conditions and hormonal imbalances caused due to issues such as PCOS can lead to this kind of hair loss. In the next section, we will take a look at the methods that you can use to help regrow the hair on your temples. How to treat hair loss at the temples naturally. 1. Olive oil. Research shows that massaging the scalp with oil can increase hair thickness. Since olive oil can penetrate the hair shaft, massaging your hair and scalp with it can help strengthen them from within. A study showed that a herbal formulation with an olive oil base induced hair growth. Olive oil also contains alorapine that could induce hair growth in mice studies. However, there is no concrete evidence to suggest that olive oil can actually promote hair growth. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. It can not only soothe scalp irritation, but also moisturize your scalp and hair. It can also help reduce dandruff. This, in turn, may reduce hair loss. Though aloe vera is traditionally used to address hair loss issues, there is a lack of scientific evidence to establish this link. 3. Onions. A study showed that onion juice could induce hair growth. Another study states that onion has a high sulfur content, which can help in regenerating hair follicles and stimulating hair growth. 4. Green tea. Studies show that the EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, in green tea can stimulate hair growth. It also inhibits the activity of the 5A reductase enzyme, which can cause hair loss. Green tea can also help reduce sebum production on greasy scalps. It can also improve overall scalp and hair health. 5. Potato rinse. There is no scientific evidence of potato juice curbing hair loss. Research shows that potato juice has antioxidant properties. This can help reduce oxidative stress, which is a common cause of hair fall. 6. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains fatty acids that penetrate through your scalp and hair, nourishing and conditioning them. It also reduces protein loss of hair, which is needed for healthy hair. 7. Honey, cinnamon, and olive oil. Cinnamon contains procyanidins, which induces hair growth in mice studies. Olive oil can help hydrate the hair and condition it. Honey is an emollient, which makes it a good hair conditioner. It can also help treat dandruff and regulate the pH of the scalp. 8. Neem leaves. Studies show that the antifungal properties of neem extracts could inhibit the growth of dandruff-causing fungi. It has immune-boosting, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. These properties can help in keeping the scalp and hair healthy. Anecdotal evidence suggests that neem can aid hair regrowth and reduce hair loss. It can also help rejuvenate dry and frizzy hair. However, there is no scientific studies to prove these effects. Hair fall can be a problem, especially when it causes your hairlines to recede. These treatments may help curb the problem and restore your hair to its former glory. However, it is best to consult a medical professional to identify the underlying conditions and factors causing hair loss at the temples and avail the appropriate treatment.